Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In the last video, we created your Canva account. Now, it's time to bring your creativity to life. Today, I'll walk you through how to create your first design in Canva, step by step. Let's jump right in. From your Canva dashboard, click on Create a Design in the top right corner. You'll see tons of options. For this video, let's go with Instagram post. Canva will now show you a bunch of ready-to-use templates. Pick one that fits your vibe. You can always customize it later. Click on any text box to start typing. Let's say we're making a quote post. Type in your favorite quote. You can also change the font style. You can also change the font style, size, color, alignment, all from the top toolbar. Now let's add a little flair. Head over to the Elements tab on the left. Here, you can add icons, shapes, stickers, and more. Or go to the Photos tab to add free stock images. Just drag and drop. Canva takes care of the rest. To match your style or brand, change colors easily. Click any shape or text box and select a new color from the top bar. You can even enter your own hex color code if you have a brand palette. Once you're happy with your design, click on Share at the top right. Then choose Download. And pick a file format. PNG works best for Instagram. You can also publish directly to social media. If you want to unlock premium fonts, templates, and tools like Background Remover, check out Canva Pro. But don't worry, everything we've done today is available in the free version too. And that's it. Your first Canva design is done. If you followed along, comment below with your thoughts or drop a link to your design. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe for more Canva tips, and I'll see you in the next one. Keep creating. Peace out.